Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of M&M nail supplies, glitters. I was on Facebook, I want to say 2 weeks ago, and I placed an order. I know there were bundles. I think there were bundles of 10, 5 gram, I can't even remember how much. I can't remember how much it was, but I will go back on and let you know the prices. So I received it this morning. I can't turn it over because it has my address on it, but I've just cut open the sellotape. So I haven't looked inside. Okay. So yeah, I got two bundles. Let's start with this one. Okay, so we have Cupid, which obviously is a red, and it's got gold. It's a fine glitter with gold. I don't know if it's a green or a gold. Oh my god, I need to go to Specsavers. You know, my eyes are just crazy. Okay, yeah, I think it's a green. And it's got some tiny hexagons and some strand, I see. I'm not quite sure, but I will do swatches. Yeah, definitely 5 grams. But that's cute, I guess. Then we have Secret. This is pretty. It's a fine holographic, and it has some hexagons in it. Some small hexagons. There's some orange, pink, and lilac. That's really pretty. I like that. Then we have Tutti Frutti. This one is like, I don't know if it's metallic or, but that's a fine. That's a fine, definitely. Yeah, so there's pink, blue, green. I really want to swatch these. Then Tiara, which is holographic. Yeah, these are fine. Pretty though. Then we have a Poison Ivy, it's a holographic green. It's an Abyss. That's really pretty. That looks like green. My eyesight's so bad. Green, purple. Yeah, there's green, there's purple, there's blue. And again, that's fine. then diamond, which is white. Again, fine. I think these are all fine glitters. Princess, which is a pink, and are they? Yeah, hexagons. There's pink, there's yellow, there's blue. Yeah, that's quite pretty. Then cotton candy, which is white. Oh my god, my eyesight's so bad. And you know I'm actually wearing glasses too. Okay, there's some pink hexagons. I think there's some mylar in there as well. I'll have to do swatches to see it properly. Looks like this, it's not. Yeah, some iridescent hexagons, different sizes. That's pretty. And then lastly, lime twist, which is an iridescent green, and it has some yellow and iridescent small hexagons in this. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, now onto this one. We have seashells. Oh my god. Golden pink. And then it's got I don't know. My eyesight is so bad, but it's pretty. I'll definitely do swatches. Yeah, there's bloody glitter going everywhere. What is that about? Okay, then we have two. We have tutu. This is really cute. Fine purple. Iridescent. We have Diva, which is like a bronzed, and then it's got holographic silver in it. Pretty. Twinkle Toes, a holographic pink. Cute. We have Elsa. Elsa is a baby blue, quite clearly. Sure. Yeah, again, fine. Then we have Steel. Which is almost like a gunmetal, which is holographic. Pretty. And we have Stardust. This is a fine white with pink, and then it's got yellow, blue, pink stars, and then there's some small hexagons. That's cute. Unbelievable, which is a fine white, and then it has a shitload of like neon hexagons, green, pink, orange, yellow. That's really nice. Popping candy, again, is white with silver holographic hexagons, and there's some different sized neon hexagons, yellow, orange, blue, pink, and then lastly we have holly. Holly is a holographic green. I'm not sure it's going to show up on camera. Probably not. Yeah. So that is it for my haul. I have glitter everywhere now. No surprises there. Anyway, I'm going to go. I hope you're all well. I hope this quarantine is not driving you insane. Whereas me, it sounds bad, but because I don't go out anyway, it's just another day for me. So it's not affecting me as much as it would a normal person. But yeah, I hope you're doing okay. Hope your families are well and also staying safe. So yes, I will let you go now. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.